In this video, I'm gonna explain how to find out about how the quadratic equations and its properties, and how to find out the quadratic equation with using the formula of quadratic solution of a quadratic equation using a formula I'll use a standard example of x squared plus 3x plus 2. I have explained in the previous video also how to solve using by splitting method. We can split this 3x into two parts, that is 2x plus x, and then some properties apply. I explained it in previous video. You can check the previous video for that. Anyway, now you can by using the formula, you can do it. The formula is something like this: minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is the formula of that quadratic equation to solve the quadratic equation. This is quite simple actually, and this is how we're gonna solve the quadratic equations. So to solve this, first we have to just put these values, like b is here is 3, so this will become minus 3 plus minus 3 square, that is 9. For a is 1 here, as this a is 1 here. I'll show you how it is. This is we can compare it with this x square plus b x plus c equal to, so we can easily compare it with this. And then so here a is 1 and then c will be 2, so 4 into 1 into 2, which is minus 8. So b square 9 minus 8, which is 1, and then we get 2 values, which is and we can put here it also a is 1, so 2. So we get something like this: minus 3 plus minus b square is 9, 4ac is 8, so 9 minus 8 is 1, so you get something like 1 by 2, a is 1 here, so this is 1, so this is by 2, that is 2. And I'll tell you, this plus minus sign is for the root, which root, after we get a root, we know the rule that the root can be either positive or negative. So this is for the root, this plus minus. But anyway, this is in the formula, so you have to just check it. I just explained why that plus minus sign is coming. This plus minus. Okay, anyway, so first we'll take the case with plus. Minus 3 plus 1 by 2, which is minus 1. Now another case we are going to do is and next case is we're going to take minus 3 minus 1 by 2, which is gonna be how much? Minus 2. Very nice equation. So we get 2, that is x equal to minus 2 and minus 1. So it's quite simple. And now I'm gonna tell you something that's very important and you should understand is about the this b square minus 4ac, which is very important. I'll tell you how. B square minus 4ac can tell you that the equation, any equation, x square, any equation is it has real roots or imaginary roots. This is very important. Real roots or imaginary roots. So this is going to tell you how to do it. So So this is an important thing. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, this means that greater than 0, this means that the equation greater or equal to 0, this means that the equation has real roots. And if it's equal to 0, that implies that it has real roots, of course, but it has only one root. That is one. It has only one value of root. That is, if it's x minus 1. If it's 1, then it is 2 1. That is, I'll give an example if you don't understand what I'm saying. X squared plus plus 2x plus 1. Here it's a good example. See, if you put this in the formula, that is minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac. So if you put that in that formula, b square minus 4ac if you put that in that formula, you get something like this. You get something like this, which is minus b is minus 2, then plus minus, you get something like 4 minus 4 into 1 into c1 into 2. So you get this discriminant value. The b square minus 4ac is the discriminant. Okay, this discriminant value is 0. Okay, by 2. So that is you get only one value, that is minus 1. So the root of the equation would be x minus 1, which means that if you solve this we get something like this: x plus 1 and this x plus 1 is equal to 0, which is nothing simply, but it is nothing. Which is nothing but x plus 1 whole square is equal to 0. This is the equation. This is how we're going to solve it. This is the what I was trying to explain. Okay, so now let's get to the main thing of. I knew that people are very smart to understand this. I didn't need to explain this, but still I tried my best. I tried to explain it. Okay, anyways, so I'll get to the main topic about discriminants. So b square minus 4ac is equal to 0 means the equation is real, and the solution is equation has real roots, and solution has real and equal roots. Equation has real and equal roots. Okay, anyway, and now if this is a very interesting case, if this is less than 0, then it's a bit confusing, because the root will become this b square, the under root of the b square minus 4ac, the root of b square minus 4ac would be meaningless. That is, it would be imaginary. As b square minus 4 is inside this, would become negative. So it would be meaningless, because root of negative is nothing but imaginary. So imaginary value, you get an imaginary you get an imaginary value in this. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, you get an imaginary root. There is also a way to solve imaginary, how to write imaginary roots. I will tell you in the next video how to put the imaginary roots and write the solution for the equation which has imaginary roots. How to write the solution for the equation which has imaginary roots. Okay, so I think this video is helpful. And I hope that you people like it and subscribe for my channel. Thank you.